Oh my god, everyone, here we go again. We're back here on Puppytown. Save me now, guys. If you don't know, Puppytown is the biggest scam going around on the marketplace as we speak. They are hammering out their ads to try and get new players, such as possibly yourself, to think that you can win real life money, right? It is the biggest joke ever, guys. If you read the Google reviews of Puppytown, you will slowly start to figure out, right, that you are never, ever going to get this money that they promise you that you will get if you withdraw, dude. It is hilarious how this app is still able to be on the Play Store, guys. You all keep telling me to come back to this app for some reason, like I'm gonna win money, dude. Guys, you need to uninstall Puppytown if you have this on your phone. It is legitimately built just to make you watch advertisements, okay? All you're doing is helping the developers get rich while you get nothing. I've had enough of these pathetically bad, bad apps, dude, promising real life prizes. Look at this. Apparently, I'm going to win a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus on this app, a HP EliteBook 840, a Sony 55-inch TV, a Nintendo Switch, Fitbit, iRobot. Look at the stuff that this thing is actually, like, this app is promising real-life prices. I don't understand how they're allowed to do this, guys. How is Google allowing Puppytown to offer real-life prizes, right? And money. How? Like, it doesn't even pay out, dude. People are losing their absolute mind on the Play Store about this app. And if you're watching this video right now, more than likely you are a new viewer. So hello there, my name is Vint. I review the biggest scam apps on the marketplace to save you guys time. Alright? So pretty much I sacrifice my time to make you guys, or to make sure you guys don't waste your time on pathetic apps. Just like Puppytown. So look, fake game. Oh my god, it says fake game and it's Puppytown. Dude, that is so funny. That is so freaking funny, dude. It literally says Puppytown on the ad as a fake game. Oh my god, shots fired. Shots fired, bro. That is hilarious, man. And this app, do you know what the funniest thing is? Do you know what the funniest thing is, guys? This app is a scam as well, so that's hilarious. You have a scam calling another scam app a scam. There you go. Isn't that coincidental and isn't that funny, dude? That is freaking so good. I can't believe it. I just can't get over it, man. I never thought in a million years I'd see an app advertising on the same app that I'm using right now and calling it a scam. That is priceless, dude. Oh my god. Can't get over it. You gotta think about the coincidence on that, guys. Like, that is hilarious, bro. Oh man, apparently I'm on 25.29 real life dollars. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Dude, I hate it. I hate this stuff. Look at this trash, man. I can't even skip it either. They literally programmed the ad to appear, like, to hover over where you're going to be tapping to try and merge the dogs together. Do you know how pathetic that is? Crazy mode. What is this? What's crazy mode? Second income times 2, output level plus 1, output speed 50%. Okay, apparently I got a bonus. Crazy mode. Right. I mean, I guess it does let me spawn dogs a bit faster there, but if I want to spawn another dog, I have to watch an advertisement. That's the only problem with Puppytown, guys. Pretty much, like, thanks for trying out this app before it's released. I'm pretty sure Puppytown is released, by the way. Yeah, anyway, so the biggest problem, if you want to know why this is a scam, everyone, is because the app promises you real-life money and never, ever delivers. Like, on this video, you're going to be seeing real-life people's reviews, not the paid-for 5-star bot reviews. This is going to be the real reviews, okay? Like, I'm just shocked, and I'm saddened, and I'm just angry. I'm really angry that Puppytown's still allowed to operate. Google, wake up, dude. Stop being clowns and get rid of these apps. They're not allowed to be, like, I'm pretty sure it's false advertising, by the way. Like, this is why I made this channel up the way I have now. I've changed from a gaming channel into a money-making and finance channel, okay? You want to know why? Because the thing is, right, you have these apps that are single-handedly targeting poor people. Like, they literally don't have money. These are people that need money, right? And they see these apps and they think, oh my god, here is my ticket to freedom, bro. We're about to become rich by merging a bunch of dogs together. Do you know what I mean? Like, wouldn't you guys, if this was legit, wouldn't you think that everyone would be on this? Wouldn't you think that like celebrities would be advertising this app? Why do people need to work then if you have apps such as Puppytown to win real life money? Do you know why, guys? Because it's a scam. It's a scam. That's why no one's advertising it. That's why no legitimate YouTube channel is advertising it. And if they are advertising it, more than likely, if you suss out their channel, you start to realize they're just shills. And what a shill is, it pretty much is someone that's sold out completely. So, look, I mean, I have comments from the actual developers on my videos getting angry at me for calling out their apps, but I couldn't care less. I'm here for you guys, the public. I don't care about no freaking developer, dude. You're gonna program some scam apps, and I'm coming for you. Simple as that, bro. Couldn't care less. Get this trash off the Play Store. Puppytown developers, fix your app, start paying your players, or get off the Play Store. Seriously, bro. It makes me so irritated. And the fact is, they always try to push these advertisements on you. It's constantly trying to get you to watch ads. Guys, I've had so many comments asking me, is this legit? Even though I've posted videos on Puppytown already, I still get people asking me, bro, is this legit? No, it's not. It's not legit. It's a scam. How much times do I have to say it, everyone? Get rid of Puppytown. It's not a good app. It's just a joke. It's a flat-out joke, and I hope Google takes it down today. It's hilarious, though, right? Because I've been called a Scrooge, right? Because I call out these apps. People are like, oh, these apps aren't doing any harm. Why are you picking on them? Obviously, they're part of the development team or scammers themselves. Because if you... Would you want to not get paid out after wasting 2 months of your life watching advertisements and merging dogs together? Would you not want to get that money in your account? Could you imagine waiting 2 months, doing all that the app requests of you, and to think your finances are finally going to get better, guys? You're finally going to get that $100 payout, and then nothing happens. Nothing. You just get left in the dust. That's what happens with these apps. That's why I'm so angry, and that's why I'm coming for them, dude. Seriously. At the start, right, I started doing this because I was told, right, that this is a really good thing to get into, like this kind of area and stuff. But now that I'm actually in the area, I'm furious, dude, because now I realize what has been going on, and no one's been calling it out. No one has been calling this stuff out properly. You fix your app up, bro. It's a trash app that's full of just tricking players. It's just meant for tricking players. Whoever made this app should be ashamed, and I'm sure they have many other apps they're working on as well with the same concept and premise, okay? This is my review of it. Puppytown is a joke. It needs to get taken off the Play Store and like thoroughly investigated to if they have been playing anyone, okay? Because if you look at the Google reviews, not the bought out 5-star ones from the bots or people in like the literally Antarctica or something. I mean people that have honestly sat through this app, slugged it out, dude, like watched all the advertisements. Get their reviews. They're the people you want to hear about, guys. Not this pathetic stuff that we're hearing and seeing on the Play Store right now where it's just a 5-star review with no actual typing. That's how you know an app's rigged, and that's how you know they're paying for reviews. Puppytown is not real. It's fake. It needs to go, guys, okay? Stay safe out there. Check out my other content. I've been covering so many apps and calling them out. There are so many of them, dude. Honestly, it's getting unbelievable. Thank you for helping me get to almost 3,000 subscribers, by the way. With your help, we'll get there by the end of next month, hopefully. Only time will tell. Please check out my other content, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think of Puppytown, guys, in the comment section below. See you later.